Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 17th, 2021. It is absolutely beautiful out there with crisp, cool polar air throughout the region. We're talking about temperatures right now in the mid-40s in the Poconos and Catskills. Meanwhile, along the coast, mid to upper 50s around southern New Jersey, a few lower 60s on Long Island as well. Yeah, it's pretty nice out there. Very comfortable with a nice northwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour and clear skies for most of the region. Can't ask for better weather than this. And that air mass is coming basically from the St. Lawrence River Valley and the eastern Great Lakes, bleeding down into our neck of the woods, providing excellent conditions. However, look off to the west. We have a southwesterly wind as that high pressure system is going to be passing over the region and start to introduce a slightly more humid air mass, a little bit more tropical in nature as we move forward towards this weekend. On our surface map, there's our high pressure system that will be passing over our area. This cold front back here will be moving through by around Saturday, producing the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And unfortunately, it looks like it's going to be hanging around throughout the weekend, keeping a thunderstorm as a threat through the entire weekend into early next week. On the radar, it's pretty much quiet out there, and on our visible satellite picture, you can see pretty much clear skies once you get away from the immediate coast all the way back into the Ohio River Valley. Clearly, we're going to have plenty of sunshine for today with tranquil weather conditions. On the infrared satellite picture, though, you can see trouble is brewing off to our west and to our south. Now, off to our west, here's our cold front, right? Now, this will be coming on through, and then it's going to be running into a roadblock. That roadblock is all of this tropical moisture. Now, we have this tropical disturbance down here, and it has the potential of developing into a tropical depression, possibly even a tropical storm over the next 48 hours. It's expected to make some sort of landfall somewhere around here, around basically northeastern coast of Texas and the southwestern coast of Louisiana, somewhere in this ballpark right here. Now, why? Well, the reason why this is important is because the more organized this storm gets, the more concentrated the heavy rainfall will be associated with this storm, and the more concentrated the tropical air mass will be around that low-level circulation. So if it's poorly organized and you have all this moisture just kind of strung out throughout the region, throughout the eastern United States, we get more humid this weekend, that's for sure, and we definitely get a lot hotter with temperatures pushing up more towards the mid-80s to lower 90s, something you would expect for summer. But the cold front associated with it would be able to clear this out much faster, and you get scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday, but it's not as, let's just say, as significant a rainfall potential. However, if this remains organized, then it has the potential of lifting up towards our neck of the woods, and depending on where it tracks, it could lead to widespread heavy rainfall, or if it's just to the south and west of us, in terms of south and east of us, in terms of the track, it could just lead to scattered showers and thunderstorms for a very humid air mass, and then this cold front runs into it, and widespread showers and thunderstorms later on in the day. So there's a lot of uncertainty here for the Monday evening into Tuesday time period in terms of rainfall and how that influences temperatures and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of questions involved with this disturbance. Either way you slice it, though, it's going to get warmer and more humid as we head towards this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, sky cloud cover is expected. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s for highs. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for sky cloud cover. Note the winds are going to shift more to the southwest. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, a few lower 60s in your urban areas. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover, a little bit warmer, with high temperatures ranging from the mid 70s on the coast to lower 80s in your urban areas. On Saturday, this is where things get a little bit more interesting. A cold front approaches, stalls out over the region, supports the threat for isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, and these thunderstorms will be capable of heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and strong wind gusts. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on the coast, mid 80s to possibly even a few lower 90s as you move away from the coast. Of course, your warmest conditions will be down towards the Philadelphia metro. On Sunday, that front stalls out. It stalls out because it's running into the tropical moisture associated with this disturbance, whatever it becomes, whether it becomes a tropical storm or remains a tropical depression, not sure yet. But the European guidance right now suggests that it's going to be more of a concentrated system here. You see how everything's kind of focused right here? So with that being the case, just isolate the widely scattered showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. Not a washout, but you're definitely going to notice a more tropical air mass with low temperatures ranging from the mid-60s to lower 70s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-80s on the coast and mid-80s to lower 90s everywhere else. On Monday, that stationary frontal boundary hangs around the region. Watch out for some fog in the morning. And also in the afternoon, a threat for some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Same scenario as Sunday. Look for lows in the upper 60s to mid-70s. Note that tropical air mass. High temperatures in the lower to mid-80s on the coast, mid-80s to lower 90s away from the coast. And there you can see the remnant low-pressure system. Now, some guidance has us a little bit further north, heading towards, let's say, the Delmarva Peninsula, and that would lead to widespread rain for us by the time we get to Monday evening. Other mild guidance keeps this low pressure system further south. It just kind of depends on how this all interacts with the cold front that's approaching. Anyway, you slice it, you're going to have showers and thunderstorms around the region Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then here comes our cold front Tuesday afternoon with more widespread showers and thunderstorms in the evening. So an unsettled active weather pattern for Tuesday with humid conditions. We're talking about lows in the lower to mid 70s, high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 80s, possibly lower 90s if these two remain separate, like what this is showing right here. And you get maybe a little bit of break in between with some sunshine in the late morning and early afternoon hours before the cold front comes through. But if this remains right over the region, then you're just talking about widespread rainfall and just kind of tropical conditions in place. But then by Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure takes control with clearing skies, falling humidity. Low temperatures on Wednesday will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast, high temperatures upper 60s to mid 70s. Then on Thursday, low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, high temperatures throughout the region, lower to mid 70s with that crisp, cool weather just like today. That is your forecast discussion. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.